this video, we will show you how to end subscriptions or product on Hostwinds web hosting. First, you need to sign in. Then, in here, you can click minutes on your product or services. Then, if you see in the left sidebar, there is request cancellations menu in here. You can just click this. Then this is the reason, and for example I choose others for reason. In here let's try give the reason for Hostwinds. For example, my job is done, my working with this CVS is done. Then we can click the request cancellations. Be careful to back up your data in here. Now our product is outstanding for cancellation. That's all.